Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Unsplash licensing workflow for brand safe assets, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw images using the Unsplash licensing workflow for brand safe assets, start by visiting the Unsplash website. Once on the home page, navigate to the search bar at the top. Enter relevant keywords related to the specific images you are looking for. Browse through the search results to find suitable images. Click on the image that meets your brand's standards and requirements. On the image page, review the license type associated with the image. Ensure that the license allows for commercial use and aligns with your brand safety guidelines. If the image is brand safe, locate the download button on the right side of the page. Click the download button to save the image to your device. After downloading, it's essential to review any usage guidelines provided. Make sure that you adhere to any attribution requirements stated by the photographer. Next, if applicable, adjust the image to fit your branding needs while maintaining its integrity. Once the image is modified, store it in an organized folder designated for brand assets. For internal documentation, note the source of the image for future reference. Ensure that you communicate with your team about the usage of the image. After completing these steps, you can confidently use the image in your branding materials. By following these instructions, you ensure compliance with Unsplash's licensing and maintain brand safety. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.